Lights, they can either make you or break you. In this video I'm going to tell you about a handy little light that helps you look good during your Zoom calls, your webinars and your video shoots. I was actually looking for something to replace this old thing and I found the Logitech Litra Glow. And that is all about flattering light. I'm Elisabeth from Top of Mind Video Marketing. In a world full of invisible entrepreneurs, your own smartphone is enough to give yourself a stage right in front of the people you want to reach the most. So please subscribe to this channel because I help you and your product get really visible in a good way for your future clients. I'm sure you recognize this. You do a Zoom call, a webinar or a video shoot and there's just not enough daylight to light the image. You look a bit like a hidden villain in the picture. Well, we don't want that. So you can add some extra lights. There's lots of lights to choose from and they're for sale everywhere. The problem with most of these lights is that they give off a really intense light and then you feel like you're in some kind of police interrogation. I'm so happy to tell you there's also something called flattering light. Light that makes you look more pretty than you are in real life. So if you're interested in that, please like this video, click the little thumb underneath and I'll tell you more about this flattering light. I was actually using this old ring light for years because I had bought it, I had it in the home, so I used it, but it wasn't very handy because I had it in my living room. It was always in the way, but then folding it up and putting it away was always too much hassle. And then I found this one and I thought that's really handy because it doesn't take up much space. You can adjust the brightness of the lights and you can also adjust the color of the lights. And you can just connect it to your own computer so you have light anywhere. This light is more flattering because the light is spread through a couple of layers, not just the top one, but there's more layers within this lamp. And that makes the light more soft and you don't see all your bumps and wrinkles. If you are in a situation where there's no outside light at all, then this one little thing isn't enough to give you great lighting. But if it's light outside and you're just in a place where there's just not enough of it, you can easily hang this little thing on your computer and you've got enough light. You can adjust the brightness and the color so you always look good in front of the camera. What light solution do you use to make sure you look good in front of the camera? Do you have a makeshift thing like I used to use? Or do you have a full professional set? Let me know in the comments below this video. And if you're interested in more information on this little friend, just check the description of this video because the link is right there.